Log in to Open Dental and click on PX button. Now, click on Custom Report tab. Now hit Favorites button. A list of all the default queries will appear. You can choose any query according to the data you want. Double-click on Query to execute. Now, select the query to edit, hit Edit button. Make the change and click on OK. Now double-click on the edited query to execute. You'll get the data according to the edited query. Click on Add to Favorites to add this query to Favorites. Add the title and hit OK. Hit Reset button to come back to the original. You can also export the data by clicking on Export button, write file name, and save. The file will be saved in CSV format in your system. Thanks for watching.